Hey guys, this is Melody. Welcome to my vlog. No.
I'm in the car with Thomas. It's Saturday. I've kind of vlogged some of the stuff that I've done, mostly just cleaning, video stuff. For a while, I kind of chilled out and listened to an audiobook while playing Tetris. I finished the 5th Miss Peregrine's children's book, and I'm currently reading or listening to an audiobook, A Danger to Herself and Others. I highly recommend it. I'm really enjoying it right now. Anyway, we're on our way to go bowling with some friends, so I'll probably vlog a little bit of that. Good morning, it's Sunday. I'm in an elevator, about to go to church. I woke up this morning with a headache, so I've taken some ibuprofen, drank some water, have a coffee. So hopefully after all this, I'll feel a little better. It's the first day back with choir, so I'm kind of excited. I heard this loud bang come from my fridge, and I guess this can of Coke just completely exploded because the back of my fridge gets really cold and freezes. So I guess we're not putting soda anywhere near it. Had to clean it out anyway. I wiped down everything and kind of reorganized. I put stuff in the back that shouldn't freeze or that won't be a problem if they freeze, like they won't explode. Yeah. I also checked all the expiration dates for everything. So let's just do a quick fridge tour. These are all my meal preps. This is Cincinnati chili, which I've been using on chili dogs. The meal prep is on spaghetti. This is some curry that I made. Garlic. Back here I have some chai to make chai tea lattes. This is chicken broth, tomato soup. I have some pickles. Down here you can't really see it. I have some like chili sauce and drippings from the turkey from Thanksgiving, because it's really good to make gravy and you could hold on to it for a few months before it goes bad. One soda, heavy whipping cream, milk. I only really ever use fat-free milk unless I'm baking. And then there's some sauces and stuff back here. So we've got Golden Mountain seasoning, which is pretty good. Oyster sauce. I think this one is soy sauce. Yeah. So all the sauces back there, all the Asian sauces. And then we've got meat, big thing of bacon. This is sausage, ground beef. I like to buy ground beef in bulk and then package it and freeze it the first time I use it. Some hot dogs. This is sausage. I think there's like one left. That's why I have two. And then some Polish sausage. Leftover rice, some eggs. This one's almost out, so I have a second carton. And then this is all my cheeses. Some pepper jack for like burgers and stuff. Mexican cheeses for tacos or fajitas or whatever. Some Parmesan. And then some medium cheddar for, I like it on the Cincinnati chili. And then I also use it for grilled cheese sandwiches with my tomato soup. This is my fruit. I have some berries and my Chobani yogurts. And then I have all my veggies in here. So I have a bunch of peppers, a cucumber. I have an onion in here somewhere, some carrots. And then we have this. I have a lot of butter. Yeah, butter's good. It's good for everything. Then we have some lime juice, jam. This is curry paste, molasses. This is honey mustard, ranch, mayo, Worcestershire sauce, barbecue sauce, ketchup, HP sauce, sriracha mayo. My door keeps trying to close on me. Sorry, this filming is not great. Sriracha, tapatio, just regular mustard, salsa, and my creamer. And that's everything I have in my fridge right now. I did just do my grocery shopping, which is why it's full. Towards the end of the week, it won't be nearly as full.
Alexa, good morning.
Good morning.
Hey guys, it is Monday morning now. It's MLK, so I'm not going to work, which is nice. I was able to sleep in a little bit, but I'm gonna be real. I took a 2-hour nap after I came home from church because I was so tired. So I think my body had already gotten a decent amount of sleep. So I still woke up at like 7:30, which is later than I normally would on a weekday, but still early-ish. My plan for today is really just to edit this vlog. And do a little bit of something that I'm not gonna vlog. If something comes of it, I will let you know. And then just kind of allow myself to relax a little bit, play games, read books, maybe do some drawing or painting just for fun. I feel like I haven't done that a whole lot lately. I did just do like 2 pages in a sketchbook just for fun, for no reason at all, which it's really nice to just relax and not have the pressure of needing to post it anywhere, though I do like how one of the pages turned out, so I'll probably post it on Instagram. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here, so make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.